Hi, welcome back to Baking with Becca. This video was filmed a couple of months ago and there were no travel restrictions in place. It was in an Airbnb, so didn't have any usual equipment with me, so you may notice, for example, a pot being used as a bowl, but we have to do what we have to do to have cake. As I said, there were no travel restrictions, so no rules being broken. We weren't in a lockdown then. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you do and drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Let's get started making these cookies and cream blondies. The measurements are in the description box below. To start with, we're going to combine the melted butter and the sugar, and we're going to whisk this until it's smooth. Once you're happy with that and there's no lumps, you can add in your vanilla and eggs and give it a quick mix. We're going to follow this with the flour and corn flour, but mix this only until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter as it can make it quite cakey. Now you can break up or chop your cookies and cream Hersheys and your Oreos. Mix this in until it's evenly dispersed. Again, you don't want to overdo it with the mixing. Now you can grab your baking tin. Make sure that you've either lined it with grease-proof paper or you've greased it with oil. Make sure that you push the blondie mixture out evenly across the top and into all of the corners. To do this, you can use either an offset palette knife or the back of a spoon and just press down gently until it's even. We're going to put this in the oven for 25 minutes, but make sure you check around 20 minutes as your oven might run slightly hot. The way to know if it's ready is you can give it a shake, and if it wobbles too much, then it still needs a few minutes. If it only wobbles slightly, then that's fine, you can take it out. Allow your blondies to cool. Once they're cool, you can run a knife around the edge of the tin and then pop out the blondies. Slice them into as big a serving as you like, and they're ready, you can serve. This recipe makes a nice, thick and gooey blondie. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. The ingredients are in the description box below, but if you need a full written recipe, head over to bakingwithbecca.co.uk where you can find all of my recipes. Thank you for watching.